Real quick before this video starts, I wanted to create this video to show you guys what happens when the camera turns off and how I sell all of my shoes through my online website. This isn't used for a bragging video or anything. I really just want to show you the process to inspire you guys to do something similar if you guys are into flipping sneakers like me, or maybe you're thinking about it and you don't really know what's going on. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. If you happen to be a new viewer, welcome to the channel. I'm Alex. Definitely consider subscribing if you guys enjoy this kind of content. Here's a quick recap from the last beater box video. Told y'all we'd be back with a brand new beater box video, and y'all see it by the title, man. A $4,000 beater box. Let's go. I'll catch y'all very soon for the next video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay. I'm out. Peace. So right now is the fun part. This is the cleanup process, the stuff that you don't see. So basically what I have to do is I have to figure out what I want to do with these sneakers. Some of them need to be cleaned, some of them don't. But as you guys can tell, my room is pretty small and I can't leave my sneakers like this. So we got to get it ready for tomorrow so we could take pictures and list everything on the site. So whenever you guys do get a beater box, and especially this size, you're gonna run into this problem where the sneakers don't have boxes. I like sneakers with boxes because it makes it a lot easier to store right here, as you guys can tell. But since these don't even have boxes, I'm gonna need to throw them in a space that is more organized, aka this box right here that they came in. So that's what we're gonna do right now to clear this clutter up right here. If they got a dirty bottom like this, I like throwing them at the bottom first. And if they have clean bottoms, these are the ones that I rest on top of the other ones. That prevents any dirt from getting on top of the sneakers that I already have in this box. We're all good with that. That's nice and organized. So tomorrow I'm going to take pictures of all of these right here. Now I got to deal with this stack. I'm just basically going to reorganize everything right here just to make it a little bit easier for tomorrow. So I'll catch you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. What up guys? It's the following day now. And unfortunately my Wi-Fi is down for the next few hours. It's been down since 9 in the morning, so I haven't been able to do any of my work. So basically I've been running around and doing errands. But in the meantime, what I could do is take pictures of all of the products that are about to go on the site. This process does take a long time because I like to get multiple angles of the shoe. So I'm going to run it. This should take me about 1 to 2 hours to complete everything. I went ahead and took all the pictures, but as I take the pictures, I make this list right here. It's basically filtered by the shoe, size, condition, and price. This way, whenever I'm going to list it, everything is neat for me. I know what price I'm going to set it for. I know the condition, I know the size, and everything else. That's basically my method of keeping organized. See, I have basically 1, 2.5 pages right here, and since my internet is not working, I can't really check the comps for these kind of prices, so I'm gonna wait for my internet to get back up. Again, it's just a short outage that happened in my neighborhood. I'm basically doing what I can without the internet right now, so yeah. Today is drop day. I had to do all of the prices this morning because yesterday the Wi-Fi wasn't working and today they restored it. So basically I have my full list of prices, everything right here. Right now the video is exporting. YouTube is an extremely important resource when it comes to e-commerce. Basically everybody that views the video is able to see what I'm about to put up for sale at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So with all that being said, I use YouTube, I use Facebook, I also use Instagram to cross promote so everything goes smooth. So this is just kind of a glimpse of everything. I still need to make the thumbnail. I also need to list all of this on the website, which does take some time, but I like to have everything preloaded on my site before 5 p.m. in case anything goes wrong. I'll give you guys a slight glimpse of that in a little bit, but first I gotta get this thumbnail. All right guys, so real quick, I just want to show you guys how I put everything into my site. So I came up with the average of $90 as a cost per item. So basically what I did was I had the $4,000 that I initially invested for this box, and I went ahead and counted each item that I'm selling, and then I just divided it, which came to about $90 per item. Now here's a look at my website. I have everything all laid out nice. I always like to have the main product photo with that white background. It just looks a lot more clean on the site, and this is very important. So if you guys are looking at pricing, especially on Shopify, which is what I use, this is the price I'm selling the sneaker at. This is going to be $200 and then the $90 cost per item. So this shows us our 55% margin, which is $110 profit on this particular shoe. Now before I used to not put this, but the main reason you want to put this is because of tax purposes. So whenever you're submitting your profit and loss statement, you're able to have a record of everything right here on your site, and it will show in your reports. So that's why it's a good idea to do this. Make it a habit if you guys are getting into e-commerce. So I'm pretty much done with this. I have a couple more products to add to the website, but we're almost done. We have about an hour until the drop time. So we're about to go live and see all of our hard work pay off. Yo, today is the following day. Yo, actually, it's pretty much been 24 hours since I did the drop. It's 6:45 now, a little bit over 24 hours. But looking at the sales from yesterday, it went really well, and then we had some sales drip into today. What usually happens is like the good stuff will sell first, and then the other stuff, of course, is going to take a little bit more time to move. So here's what we're working with. Yesterday's sales on my site. Here's what a lot of people won't show you guys. We cleared almost 5,000. Now, whenever I do a shoe drop, of course, it's going to be a lot. And today, the sales that dropped in, we have 720 bucks. So we're a couple hundred off, but we're gonna round up and say that we basically cleared around $6,000 in sales within 24 hours, which is amazing. And if I remember correctly, for the box, we had a total of about $8,000 worth of goods. So we have $2,000, which will definitely happen over the next few days. So I'm not even worried about that. And now we just got to get all of our inventory out. My main goal for this video was to show you guys the background operations on how I run this website. A lot of people might be interested in this and might want to do this on their own, and you totally can do it. You don't have to hire anybody. You could do all of this in-house, people. I touch every single package that I send out, which I think is pretty cool. So with all of that, I'm in control of everything. I know exactly what's going on. I know exactly where everything is. And I feel like when you run stuff on your own, it just means a little bit more to you. You're more hands-on with your business. I had a pretty long day already today, but I'm just gonna get a head start and package everything so I can have it out tomorrow, which will be Monday morning. So everything will go out tomorrow. Customers will be happy about that, and we can keep it rolling and get ready for the next flip. By the way, if you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and make sure you're subscribed, because 70-something% of you guys that are watching these videos aren't even subscribed. Do your thing. Hit the subscribe button. Gotta stay hydrated. That's the #1 rule. Ready to get back to it. If I counted everything correctly, I think I just packaged about 12 sneakers. I'm gonna go ahead and roll through the rest, but you guys get the idea, right? I print all the labels at home, I box them, and then tomorrow I'm gonna be doing the drop off at UPS. Once I drop it off there, my job is done. And that will conclude the day in the life of a reseller. And then it's just repeating this process again and again and again, stacking those chips up. So I'll see you guys tomorrow bright and early when we deliver these packages.